you have acne, it's not only what you eat. Try to wash your face 4 times a day with a astringent herbal soap, like rosemary or sage.
How to cure acne. The skin is the largest organ in the human body. According to Hecateo, acne is not only the result of a poor diet, but the result of bacteria and other environmental toxins on the skin. To cure acne, you should wash your face with an astringent, an herbal soap, at least 4 times a day. Infusions made from sage and rosemary are often very helpful. For more recipes and much more information, please see our book, Darkness, the Power of Illumination, our film, or go to www.askashaman.com.
¿Tienes acné? No es solamente lo que comes. Trata de lavarte tu cara 4 veces al día con algún jabón herbal astringente.